In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a campaign in Salesforce. We'll walk through the lightning experience, from opening your campaign to setting the right member status, and finish with a few quick ways to manage those campaign members once they're in. Start on the Salesforce homepage. From the navigation bar, open Campaigns. This takes you to your campaign list view. If the campaign you need already exists, great. Open it from the list. If not, use the New button to create one, then return to the list and open it. In this example, we'll work with a campaign labeled 2026 campaign so you can see how the flow looks once you're inside. Inside the campaign record, look for the buttons that let you bring people in. You'll see options to add leads and to add contacts. Leads and contacts are managed separately in Salesforce, so be sure you're on the right path for what you're adding. If you land on Add Leads by mistake, simply switch to Add Contacts. For this walkthrough, select Add Contacts. A selector opens where you can choose the specific contacts you want to associate. Use the list and click the checkbox next to each contact you want to add. You can select one or many. When your selection looks good, click Next to move forward. You'll now confirm the target campaign. Choose the campaign from the picker, in our case that's 2026 campaign, and proceed. This step ensures your selected contacts are tied to the exact campaign you intend. Next, set the campaign member status. Member status lets your team track where each person stands in the outreach process. Common statuses include sent and responded. Choose sent if you're marking that an email, invitation, or offer went out. Choose responded if that person has already taken the action you're tracking, such as registering or replying. You can toggle between these choices here, and you can always refine your status values later in campaign setup if your organization uses custom labels. You'll also see options related to keeping or overwriting existing member status. Keep member status preserves whatever status each contact already has for this campaign. Overwrite member status updates everyone you're adding so they all use the status you just selected, which is helpful when you're standardizing a fresh list. If you're unsure whether these contacts already belong to the campaign or you don't want to change any prior responses, choose to keep member status. If you want them all marked as sent right now, choose overwrite. For this example, we'll keep member status to avoid changing any previous activity. When your choices are set, click Submit. Salesforce processes the update and displays a confirmation message indicating that the campaign was successfully updated. That's your cue that the contacts have been linked. Need to add more? From the same campaign page, click Add Contacts again and repeat the selection process to include additional people. This is a quick way to build out your audience without leaving the record. If you want to manage individual entries after they're added, open the member list on the campaign and use Show More Actions next to a contacts row. From there, you can choose to edit the member details, such as adjusting the status or delete the association if someone shouldn't be part of the campaign. Select Delete to remove that specific contact from the campaign roster. And that's it. You navigated to campaigns, opened or created the right one, added your contacts, set the appropriate member status, submitted your changes, confirmed the success message, and learned how to add more or remove entries as needed. Follow the same flow anytime you need to maintain accurate campaign membership in Salesforce.